people who actually are behind those thoughts. And especially when we talk about anything, whether you do ads or you talk about these events, Navratri, if I talk about, I always connect with those days when I was doing my engineering. I used to go to those calls with the friends and all. But now it has become so big with, very organized people coming at huge plannings, and especially when I saw the whole Nabrag thing planned, the way they have Aman has planned it. So I think these thoughts behind the whole event make them so special and so big. So I just want to be part of it and just want to bless them with all the wishes, and hope when the Navratri festival starts, especially in our western suburbs, people are going to be entertained, and it's a good thought. Yeah.
Okay, tell us what's happening on professional front. We're missing you a lot, post.
No, yeah, my next film, which is my home production, it's with Prabhudeva, and that's coming in October. 7th October is the release. It's called 2 in 1. You'll start the promos. We'll start the promos in another 10 days. So that's one thing. Then a film with Jackie Chan, which is coming in January, called Kung Fu Yoga. That's one film you will be seeing. So these are the two next biggies that will be coming.
Now you're a producer coming with a home production. The very first thing was that too with Prabhudeva. What is more difficult to play? Being a producer, spending lots of money. Also looking after the tantrum of the actress.
No, I feel, when actors are very professional these days, so you don't have to look after any kind of tantrums. I think everyone wants to deliver their best, work hard, and I've been very lucky with the whole team. The way we have finished the film, we have completed in 3 languages, in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi. And it's a great script. It's a comedy thriller. The first zone, the kind of zone I always wanted to do, and it's very, very new also. So we are almost ready with the final release plans. So hopefully, as an actor, I've always tried my level best to do justice to my profession, and hopefully, as a producer also, I'll be able to do justice, and hopefully, I'll entertain people also.
2 in 1, it means you're doing a double role.
It's not a double role. I think it's like I said, it's a comedy thriller. You have to see the first poster when it gets revealed. So it's the. No, I should come up with a poster, then only I'll talk about it.
Okay, there's so many friends of yours in the industry. You were there in the industry for so many years. Not that many years, but you are part of the industry for a long period. Who'll be coming to unveil your poster? Mr. Shah Rukh or somebody else? Did you had a word?
No, actually Jackie Chan unveiled the first poster. I got it unveiled from Jackie Chan. But whenever the promotion starts, whoever is available, I think everyone is traveling, for their respective movies or whatever. But like I said, I know their wishes there, whether physically they can present or not. I know as an actor, it's always tough since your schedules keep you busy. But as long as your wishes are there for us, I'm sure, the film will definitely do well, and I'll try to bring them on board. Yeah.
But it's a confirmation from your end. Jackie Chan won't unveil the poster of your film.
Yeah, he unveiled it, which was already in the papers. But like I said, we have some very good plans, and hopefully we'll be able to execute them. Yeah.
Okay, something out of the box, and I want on a positive note. I don't want you to give me a diplomatic answer. I want a honest answer from your end. Shah Rukh detained a few days back. This is the 3rd time. What's your? You know him personally, and Shah Rukh, whole India knows him. He's a legend himself. Even the US machinery who works on airport, they know who Shah Rukh Khan is. Barack Obama, who comes to India and he said, "Bade शहरों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं." And the guy get detained in US. What's your take?
No, I always, whenever something like this happens, we always feel sorry that, he's such a known figure. And, when we have done shows together when we were doing the Slam tour, we did the whole US tour. Fortunately, nothing of this kind of thing happened. But whenever it happens to a person like Shah Rukh, so I think we all as individuals, as Indians, we feel sorry. And even, in fact, lots of diplomats also showed their concern on it. But, Shah Rukh is a great guy, and he always is very positive about it. And it happens. I think it was unfortunate, but like I said, even Shah Rukh tweeted that it's all these protocols have to be followed. So I'm sure this won't happen again, and even if it happens again, we'll again pray that it won't happen again. Then so we just have to keep our fingers crossed and do our job. Yeah.
There's a biopic happening on R.D. Burman. What's your take on that?
I think I'm a huge RD fan, and whoever will make it, I'm sure they'll make a great film. And like any other individual, I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah.
There are also report Amir Khan is playing R.D. Burman and Priyanka Chopra playing Asha Bhosle.
Oh my God, yeah. So I just got to know from you, but I think whoever will play, they'll definitely do justice to it. Yeah. Thank you. I'm sorry? Oh no, that's very tough. Yeah, maybe I'll be a good spectator, wishing everyone, and it's a first venture from Aman, and I'm here to wish him. And I, from the bottom of my heart, I really want him to do well and have many more, Navrags happening, every year, not only in Bombay, not only in western suburbs, but all over Bombay, all over India, all over the world. So I want the Fire Gaze Entertainment to be one of the biggest brand in this, and I'm sure he will. He's a young guy, and the kind of event he has organized, I'm sure he's on the right track, and I'm sure though miles to go, but yeah, the journey's on.
College you said you used to stand outside Pandal for
Yeah.
entry, so
Yeah.
you got a VIP entry now. So
Yeah.
you're still thinking to.
No, still I feel it's miles to go, but God has been kind. But it's a journey, I think, for anyone. So I'm glad that my elders and God has been my guiding forces, so which brought me in front of you today.
Thank you.